Yep, hello. In this video, we're going to be looking at Access database. I'm going to use an example of this one. Number one, we're going to be looking at increasing the fields of a table, increasing on the size of the field, even increasing on the size of the rows in your table. We shall also look at deleting fields from a query or even table. So let me start with the field size, actually field width. Using the customers table here, if I want to increase on the field width, because the field is a column in database, I'm going to right click at the column heading, then I go to field width. Then maybe I want to give it a width of 20. I type there 20, I go to OK. You see that it's now increasing. That is 1. Save, yes. So if I want to increase the row height, because the other one was a field width, this one is now a row height. If I want to increase the row height, for example, this first row of Bart Haman, of course you right click at the start of the row, then you go to row height, you give it a row height size. Maybe I want to give it 20 also. I go to OK. So the row is going to be increased to 20, and it's actually applying to all rows. If I close this, then save, I go to queries. There's a query of prices, an example of a query. You may want to delete a field from a query. If you want to do so, you right click at your query, mine is here, then you go to design view. Maybe I want to delete price. I'm going to remove price. Even I remove this, I save, then I reopen the query. It's going to have only one column now. Also, there's this scenario of inserting maybe a column in your table, inserting a column between other columns. For example, you want to insert just name column between first name and last name. How do you do that? You go back to the design view of the table. I want to insert a new column between first name and last name. Maybe I forgot it. So I want to go to the table, then design view, and I'm going to come to this because I want to insert a new column between the two. I can right click at last name, then I go to insert rows. It's going to create space, of which I'm going to type name, then I give it a data type text, then I save. I open the table. It's going to have name between the two. So that is how you can deal with your objects in database. These are some of the tricky things you could not know, so I've recorded whenever you want to learn how we do them. Play, rewind, pause. You also try out. Keep on subscribing. A nice time.